Thank God uyu munsi kugamaginga yani ibyishimo ndishimye. You have Let's go gusirimba kubyina.
Today on my birthday, I just want to thank myself to being strong, patience and brave to face everything.
Is ya urumuri reflecting zaho hano imibare itayandika hari inyuma, right? You get, as you can see, if you can see that. So I will be needing scissor kugira nkate, and if you get it yet, this is no pijama. That's it. Yeah. Got on my leather jacket, the show ain't nothing never. My lady killer, I want her, I'm a stellar. I promise I can make her fly away like caterpillar. So if you don't know by now, then you should probably get familiar with it. Guys, good evening. Today it's today it's Saturday and it's 1st August, and as you know guys, 4th August is my birthday, and today I have already brainstormed the idea, and I'm putting that idea into action of how I'll be celebrating it. So as you guys, you know, Mrawizi, I love DIY things, like DIYs, and I love doing myself some DIYs, okay? So this is this is how I'll be doing it, and you can see that there are some words there. So I'm having papers, right? And I'm having plenty of them, like 3 others are there. So yeah, come with me while I prepare my birthday, and I can't wait to share with you my results and the pictures and stuff. Oh my god, yeah, like birthdays, time periods, things like that. Like I haven't ever even in my life been experiencing like things that like that's like I don't have any idea. But for me, I love kwikorera, like someday even nshobora kwikorera I did by myself, yeah. So rero come along with me. I'll make sure we can kosa, we vlog it and everything, so you guys I could show you, and I hope you wish for me happy birthday. Type in the comment section that happy birthday Benny with a red heart. So come along with me. So right now I'm done magically painting, as you can see, if you can see that. So I will be needing scissor kugira nkate, and if you get it yet, that idea. Copyright. So you guys, I'm done cutting each and everything, and yeah, you can see that there are words there. No, I'm a numbers, and as you know, as a DIY person I am, this but it's like this, right? So as a DIY person I am, Monzi, just you know that I am DIY do it yourself person. Yeah, I'm using these morinos. I'm using this mori like the next print. So currently I'm doing this shoot, and I will do another noza template nyuma using all these. Remember that now like I recycle things, right? So till the final result. I'm done just doing Jose, and yeah, this is the result. I don't know if you guys can see, since pointing, but the thing is reflecting zaho hano imibare itayandika hari inyuma, right? You get. So yeah, that's my niko nashatse kubitekereza, and inspo was from I stayed na ni Pinterest na TikTok. So that's what it is. Don't mind me how shabby and poor I'm looking. Just mind on this minding. Hi guys, good morning. Today is 3rd August and it's Dukomeza. I'm continuing. preparing my birthday. Okay, so yeah, how are you? Today is Sunday. I'm super grateful for this day, and I can't wait to celebrate my day tomorrow per usual and with different camera aesthetic dams. Okay. You guys, I can't wait to share with you how I plan for today, right? And I hope you guys are going to love this, because I love celebrating my birthdays inside doors and with siblings and with fam, like with siblings, fam. That's what I love. Me, I don't know birthday parties like I don't do that. I don't know. Simbi is my but yeah, that's how I'm setting my birthday today. Nothing changing, but what's changing like in a different idea. I'm having different ideas every of my birthday. Okay, so yeah, I can't wait to share them to you on YouTube, and I don't know if I'm going to do live in sounds, and you guys you guess what's birthday theme this time, but it's kinda gary aesthetic and yeah, that vibes. So you guys, hope you be with me, you will continue wishing me birthday messages, the comment description down, no comment comment box, things like that. Commenting with the white heart this time. Okay, drop those white white hearts, yeah, imitima y'umweru, sibyo imeze gutya. So yeah, I can't wait, and yeah, come around with me. I'm going to place my birthday mukanya noza nimugoroba. I'm going to do shoots with it within my room, as you can see. Namaze gukora each and everything I will need by this time. So I can't wait to share on my Instagram. Nimutamfanga ku Instagram yanjye, make sure you do. Karire hari link tree yanjye kugenda ku social media yanjye, so make sure you follow it, you following it. We get to know each other in touch, and yeah, let's continue. Yeah, I'm waking up and still in my PJs, but I don't care, because when it comes to my birthday, I don't pray, like I don't care, like see, yeah, I don't care, like I enjoy, like I take that moment of enjoyment no matter how. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, umwuka mpumeka. Hano hanze amacunga indirimbo nziza. You guys, ndishimye. Ariko birthday y'ikino gihe ni nziza kwe. Mega idea nziza. One thing about me, yeah, don't change, like ntabwo ngende muri ndungo locations ngibikire kareka nje. I love everything unique. Niyo yabera ahantu hamwe honyine, ariko uniqueness of that event niyo ngiye mataringa most. Kumva niyo na celebrating around, ariko that nyine ya idea yindi iri unique ikaba iri popping, and that's what I love. Ntabwo ndamuntu ngo sinzi, nyine hari ibintu nyine abantu memenyereye, and that's good. Ariko I'm not type of person. Yeah, I always take myself as a unique person. Yeah, I don't know, simbi nimba now nduje gutyo, ariko njyewe mbonye uniqueness mu kintu, njyewe ncyucyemeye kinkurura kuruta ngo ibintu birenze biri big. Uniqueness nyine akantu kari unique to kangana gutyo, njyewe niko I count much than that big thing. Okay, so yeah, I can't wait to share it with you. Mukanya piercing on my birthday cake hariya hepfo. Yeah, kuri mugoroba I need it kuko ndaza kwishotingana, and tomorrow will be my birthday. Ntabwo nkunda gukora ibintu byinshi, I just like sitting and meditating and planning my future. Nyine nanashima Imana, nereka Imana ibyifuzo byanjye. That's how I plan and I prepare my birthday. Yeah, ibintu nyine unique we got first. Okay, I really thank God uyu munsi kugamaginga yani byishimo ndishimo. You have this.
Guys, good morning. No, good evening. So currently I'm kuzana my cake. No, I'm pressing the cake, right? Yeah, I couldn't vlog cause man, outside here hari izuba pe. There are a lot of hari izuba ryinshi. Too much sunshine outside here. So I was like kandi ndimo ndihuta ndi kuguruka. I'm planning njye mu concert to go celebrate my birthday with God, with people, tubyine nk'ibisanzwe. Yeah, ubundi after I'm thinking of going to pick up my cake nyuma after mpite nzamuka nkore shoot za cake hanyuma nanjye I can't wait for my shoot. Ibintu byose biri set, the template iri set, cake mbaje kwikoresha neza mu kanwa nimugoroba, imyenda iri set, like everything. About today, before anything, nahisemo cake ya black and white, right? Yeah, you shall see. So yeah, let's meet at the concert and till tugiye kubona cake, and after the shooting stuff, one day I will be back when we're in the concert, right? So take care, muzimyiteho, and I love you. In the meanwhile, these are nakoje tuno tuntu akanakoze kapfuye. But yeah, these are ingi ni imyenda ngiye kujya gusengana, right? And I'm planning of picking ikisomo hano ndambare kimwe kabyara nono. But I'm looking for white stuff. And you guys, my room is all clean, maje kukoropa and everything set. So yeah. Hi guys, let's go kusirimba kubyina, right? So yeah, I'm going ubungubu and hadafungika we. So yemwe nkagufunga ahantu muba kugira ngo tuzaza muterwa n'abashu. So yeah, I'm going, and this is my outfit. Right? So tugiye kusirimba kubyina. We bite tugiye mu gitaramo hara hepfo uko nayo itaramo cyiza kabye muzaza ahubwo namwe umunsi muzaza cyaba nyiri cya gusirimba utazaza sikari n'abana batoya muzaza. So let's go. Ni haramutse y'umuhanda ariko ukuntu nambaye neza none nkaba ngiye mu ivombe genda kaba karishe. Rey bite? So like hano hantu hari ivombe ndagira reka ndabere uko ndi bugireyo nzi ariko nta kundi nyine. So yeah, tugende, see you there. So guys, I'm going to pick up my cake. This is where I put it. I don't know if that's one. And yeah. So guys, who knows this? This is my pajama. The same. Yeah, nizi ngizi ngiye kwambara, and n'ishati nayo yayo. I will be adding a bow there, and yeah.